Welcome to day 9 of our 30-day meditation challenge. Today we'll be practicing allowing experience. Please go ahead and find a posture that feels supportive for your meditation practice today. You could be seated, lying down, or even standing with support against a wall. Whatever posture is going to allow you to remain alert and also relaxed is perfect. I invite you to close your eyes, or you can keep your eyes a quarter of the way open, just gazing softly down at the floor in front of you. Arriving into stillness. Letting the body settle. Letting the sensation of your own breath fill your awareness. Today, the practice is allowing experience. So often we find in our daily lives that we try to control our experience. But in this practice, we practice simply letting things be just as they are. Finding that deep peace that's available when we allow experience to be just as it is. Letting go of that effort to change something or fix something or adjust something. Whatever we encounter in our practice, whether it's pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral, we simply meet it with this open allowing, not clinging or pushing away, but allowing whatever experience is here and predominant to be where our attention rests. So breath is here. Sounds are here. Emotions or moods are here. Thoughts may appear. Each one of those experiences allowed, welcomed, part of this present moment. So resting now, just allowing awareness to be open and allowing of whatever arises. If you find that you get pulled into any particular experience, zooming out, taking that backward step, letting go, and again, allowing all experience to be held and known in your open awareness. Noticing what it feels like to allow. Thank you for practicing with me on day 9 of our meditation challenge, and I hope that you'll practice with me again tomorrow. Namaste.